Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Northbridge Manufacturing reports its strongest quarterly profit in company's history. Its plants are running at full capacity, so we have a lot of profit. Mandatory overtime. The HR team cannot fill open position despite rising wages. Raw material prices are climbing rapidly, and customers are being placed on wait list. Which phase of the business cycle best describe these conditions? So they're describing conditions in a business cycle. What is that? This is the expansionary phase, the peak phase, the recovery phase, the contractionary phase, and you need to know those phases. Okay, let's take a look at expansionary phase. Do you know what happened during the expansionary phase? Well, during the expansionary phase, the demand is rising toward the top, but we did not reach our limit yet. Here it says we are running at full capacity. So the expansionary phase, we still have capacity. We did not reach that extreme constraint of capacity. We don't have labor shortage. So I would say it's not expansionary phase, because expansionary phase is when you are growing. Is this describing the peak of the business cycle? And the answer is yes. This is everything that's in here in this question is describing the highest point of activity, where the output profit at their strongest and the economy is most strained. Capacity is maxed out. We don't have people to work. Labor is scarce, and the input is rising. There's a shortage of input, and if you want the input, if you want to get oil, fuel, whatever you are using, coffee beans for your coffee, cost is rising. And as a result, everyone is making profit, but we are reaching the peak. And what's going to happen after the peak? Things will go, this is the peak, and after the peak, things will go down. And are we in the recovery phase? No, the recovery phase starts after we reach the trough, and it will start to recover, the recovery phase. So the answer is B. So you need to be familiar with the business cycles, whether you are a CMA exam candidate, CPA, finance students. Now, if you're taking this question on Farhat Lectures, you could ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and create a similar MCQ to test these concepts. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your education. Farhat Lectures can help. Stay safe and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.